Dropbox key shortcut that actually saves you time. So the very first keyboard shortcut that I will tell you guys about is the Control plus F in order to open your search on Dropbox, right? So all you need to do is simply click Control plus F, and just like this, your search box will open. And from here, you can now start searching on your Dropbox. This is the first one. The second one that I recommend you guys is the Control C plus Control V. So in here, if you ever want to simply copy your document, let's just say, what you can do is simply click on Control plus C, and then when you want to paste it somewhere else, you can go on that location and then simply click Control V in order to paste that document down. So after doing that, the another thing that I recommend you guys do is simply press on F2 on your Windows, or if you have a Mac, then I recommend you guys click on return in order to rename a file. If you want to rename it, you can simply click on file, and then what you can do is simply click on the option, sorry, click on the keyboard key F2, and then you'll be able to rename that particular file, right? So by using all of these keyboard shortcuts, you can actually save a lot of time on your Dropbox. So yeah, that is it.